Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. Got a package here to open up for you. Just a small one, but actually, the bag is twice as big as it needs to be. Anyways, before I open it up here, I want to talk to you about something about what this is for and why I'm doing this as a Gray Man instead of a Camp Patton opening up. So I've been talking quite a bit about water storage over the last several months, and actually every video I do for your prep for today talks about storing more water at the end. Now, some people are finally following my admonition of getting some IBC totes of 275 gallons or 330 gallons to store their water in. Problem is trying to get it out because they've changed some of them don't have 2-inch pipe thread on it, but they do have 2-inch cam locks. And there's others that have 2-inch cam locks, but instead of 2-inch pipe thread, it's some other 2 3/8 fine thread, something or other. Anyways, so what I got here is a solution to that problem. So let me go ahead and open this up here. There it is on this side. So much easier than some of them. So what I got here, let me get these out here, set them down here. I went and ordered two packs. So there's 2 things in each one of these. So let me find out. Man, they taped the heck out of it. Oh, they did include something I wasn't counting on. That's cool. I can see that right now, but let me get this open up here. Man, they wrapped a bunch of tape around this little plastic thing here. Okay, so open this one here up. Put the knife down. So what this has the cam lock part on it here. So I can just put it on the fitting on the bottom of the tank. But it has 3/4 inch pipe thread on here, so you can just screw the adapter for a garden hose on here, or you can screw on a ball valve and then screw in an adapter for a garden hose into the other side of the ball valve, which is the smart way to do it. That way you're not using the big valve on the tank, which aren't made to be used a whole lot, just open and close once or twice, But this way you can just do the easier to turn 3/4 inch ball valve, and it'll work great on it. So what was a bonus here on it? They sent 2 packages of Teflon tape for this set. Let me look at the other one. Yeah, and there's another 2 in that one there as well. So they sent plenty of Teflon tape to tape up whatever type fitting I put on this here. Now, if you're in certain ways set up too, you can also just go ahead and put 3/4 inch PVC slip to thread on here, and then just plumb it however you want to plumb the 3/4 inch PVC to wherever you want to plumb it to, or even if you want to just plumb it into a little 12-volt transfer pump to pump the water elsewhere after you pump it up and put it into a 5-gallon or a 3-gallon container to bring it into the house to use the water in the house. Or you can, if you're using it to collect rainwater for the garden, you can just put a transfer pump on there, plumb it in, and put the garden hose on the other side of the transfer pump, turn it on, and then you have pressurized water for your garden hose to go out and water the garden. So anyways, these were ridiculously cheap. I was looking at all sorts of different ones, and I think this was $15, maybe $15.50 for 2 of them. So I got 4 of them because I got 4 IBC totes I'm going to be using for rainwater. So, and I also have a couple I'm going to be using for drinking water. So, but I just got some right now just to get the rainwater ones up and going. So the next time we get a rainstorm, I'll have low pH water to use for the strawberries, the boysenberries, and some of the other plants that like lower pH. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe, don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill. Plant a garden outdoors. Try, if you can, grow the garden indoors as well. There's just so much contamination in the food stream from the store. I mean, the fresh vegetables are really nasty. So plant your own garden, grow healthy food.